Good afternoon. I share with you the first part of the activity. My last vacation, I went to Cauca Viejo. I was in the Lucy Farm, a weekend excellent space to race, in company the one friends is with. I like this place. It's beautiful, quiet, organized, litty, and cozy. We enjoy the pool, the space, the farm, like home. We visit the chapel and the village. When we came back the Sunday, it was planned. We would work Monday. The weather in Cauca Viejo is warm. You can get to have a temperature de 29 and 3 degrees. For this reason, I recommend you to use sunscreen. Have a car according to moisture constantly. Do not sport. Do the sun in the house of all advices. The outdoor right are strong. What people should do on Camp Diego? Visit the Cathedral of the Virgin de las Mercedes. Buy carrier paisa original from Jericho. Have a good coffee in the area. Go to a cultural center that are located there. When people should do they should not hardly eat volume for the music, since they are space to raise, as well as not making any other kind of noise that could disturb the other people who are going to visit the place. Thank you.